How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App. So let's begin. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, this is your initial page right here. Let me show you. This is going to be your initial page. After you here, tap on the Bitcoin option, and after you tap on Bitcoin, you'll get redirected to your Bitcoins page. After you're here, check your balance, make sure that you have enough balance so you can transfer. After you do that, tap on share, that is right besides buy, sell and share. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, just select send Bitcoin, and after you tap on send Bitcoin, you'll have to choose your withdrawal speed. Now if you're in a rush, tap on priority rush, and if it's priority, it will get sent in less than 10 minutes. If you're in rush, it will get sent in 2 hours, and if you're standard, it'll just get sent in 24 hours. After you do that, you can just confirm your withdrawal to external wallet. It will take your Face ID. After you do that, your Bitcoin will get transferred from your Cash App, and it's literally that simple, guys. And that is all for the video too. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.